Well, I don't know if my amateur photography is going to show this to you very well, but perhaps you can see how laden the bushes are this year and how the branches are bent right over under the weight of all this gorgeous fruit. And when you see that, you may be wondering why you aren't here picking fruit. Well, let me show you. If you look at this beautiful blue cluster here, you'll see that these berries look like they're ripe and ready to go. But as you start to pick them, they don't just pop off the bush. I actually have to apply a little bit of pressure. And what this tells me as a grower is that these are just about ready, but not quite. You see this purple back on the back of the berry here? This is an indication that these berries are not absolutely ripe just yet. So what I'm hoping for is that if we give them a few more days into perhaps next week, Thursday or Friday, perhaps around July the 1st, these should be absolutely perfect, delicious berries, fully ripe. They should just pop off the bush and they should just burst with flavor in your mouth. That's what we're waiting for. So we hope you don't mind waiting one more week, but this should be a really fabulous year.